Hi guys, welcome back to Haitian's World. Today I'm gonna tell you why I love the window seat on an aeroplane. When you get a window seat on an aeroplane, you'll be sitting beside a porthole, which is a name for a window on an aircraft or ship. Rounded corners are helped to evenly distribute the air pressure, reducing the likelihood of a window cracking under changing air pressure. The tiny pleat hole in the window helps to balance the pressure difference between the cabin and the outside air. The tiny window hole also has another purpose, which is to release moisture and stop frost or conditioning from blocking your view. Windows on aircraft are small to maximize the areas of hole between them to increase the strength of the airframe. The airframe would be the strongest if the hole had no windows. It's nearly the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. See you in another video. Bye.